It is almost the end of the month and it is time for a quick news roundup. So here are the top news pieces of the month. The world is grappling from climate change. Post the Australian bushfires, the fire in the Amazon rainforest and San Francisco.
Coal mines leased out by India's Adani Group are being held responsible for the bushfires in Australia. Greta Thunberg is asking German company Siemens to stop manufacturing machinery for the mines.
NATO, or the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, celebrates 70 years of existence. The NATO was formed by USA and 12 countries of Europe to defend each other in case of war. In response, USSR signed a pact in Warsaw, Poland in 1955 with other communist countries for the same reason.
Iran's Major General Qasem Soleimani was recently killed in a drone attack by the USA. In retaliation, Iran launched a missile attack on US Army air bases in Iraq. They also shot down a Ukrainian plane they mistook for a US plane heading towards their defense bases.
Artificial humans are here. Samsung Star Labs has officially unveiled its Artificial Humans project. Now, whether these humans will merely be our digital avatars or will they actually imitate us is yet to be seen.
Prince Harry and Meghan Markle stepped down from their royal duties. This means they will no longer be referred to as His/Her Royal Highness. They will remain Prince and Princess and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. They will no longer have access to public funds for their charitable and living expenses. Prince Harry claims that peace is more important than anything else. This step will give them independence from the scrutiny by the media.
So, by the way, my name is Aryan and this is Carmichael signing off. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you again.